Have you ever dreamed of building real wealth, even if you're starting from scratch? It might seem impossible, but with the right strategy, you absolutely can. In today's video, I'm going to share a realistic step-by-step guide on how to build wealth from zero, starting in 2026. Let's get into it. First things first, you need a rock-solid foundation. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about smart, sustainable habits. Your first step is to create a budget and track every single dollar. I know, it sounds basic, but you'd be surprised how many people skip this. Use a simple app or a spreadsheet. The goal is to understand exactly where your money is going so you can find areas to save. Next, focus on eliminating high interest. Things like credit card balances are wealth killers. They charge you insane interest rates and keep you trapped in a cycle of payments. Make a plan to pay these off as aggressively as you can. Use the debt snowball or avalanche method. Whichever one keeps you motivated. Getting rid of this debt is like giving yourself an instant raise. Once you've got your spending under control and you're tackling debt, it's time to build your emergency fund. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This money is your safety net. It keeps you from going back into debt when unexpected costs pop up, like a car repair or a medical bill. Keep it in a high-yield savings account where it's safe, but still earning a little interest. Now for the exciting part, making your money work for you. With your foundation secure, you can start investing. You don't need a lot of money to begin. The key is to start early and be consistent. Look into low-cost index funds or ETFs. They are a great way for beginners to get diversified exposure to the stock market without having to pick individual stocks. The magic of compound interest will do the heavy lifting over time. The longer your money is invested, the more it can grow. Finally, never stop learning and increasing your earning potential. Read books, listen to podcasts, and take courses about personal finance and investing. At the same time, look for ways to boost your income. This could mean asking for a raise, developing new skills for a promotion, or even starting a small side hustle. Increasing your income is the fastest way to accelerate your wealth-building journey. Building wealth from zero is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes discipline, patience, and a clear plan. By following these steps, budgeting, killing debt, saving, investing, and growing your income, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial freedom. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to manage your money and build a better financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.